Hello.
So,
Okay. I'm looking directly at you and I can't see you. You know what it is. Everything we do, yeah, we do it big.
Yep.
Get out the shower! Yeah.
Right.
I'm very sad.
Why?
Nobody cares about me and my feelings. It's always I'm having a bad day, or I didn't get paid, so I'm gonna get kicked out of my apartment, or my car broke down in the middle of the highway, or my mom's gonna die. It's never Lizzie. How was your day? It's always about them.
Oh my god.
His video's over.